For me, dance is fundamental to good all-round health. See, not expressing yourself physically can make you very sick, and we're socialised to limit our physical self-expression. Even conventional exercise doesn't always hit the mark. It lacks sometimes to provide the body with all the movement that it needs. So in my view, it's good to dance and have a strength program. The two complement each other. Most mornings, when I make breakfast, I flick some music on and I dance. It could be hip-hop, rock, dancehall, indie, 70s Afrobeat, amapiano, or like this morning, some floaty neo-soul vibes. Dancing can liberate your muscles, liberate your fascia, and liberate your joints. It also stimulates the lymphatic system. Plus, it's a pretty fun way to manage your weight. And the combination of music and dance is what I like to call a cognitive balm for the mind. Mess about, don't take yourself too seriously, dance daily like no one's watching. It's good for you.